How to use a soundboard on Discord. So first you want to open up your browser and search for voice mod. Click on the first link, and then you will need to download and install it. Click on download for free, and it will ask you to sign in with your email or whatever account you have. Now once it's downloaded, you want to double click on it to start the installer, and then simply follow along the steps to start downloading and installing the voice mod. Click on next and accept the agreements, and then click next and wait for it to install the application. And once it's done, you want to click on finish to launch it. Then click on get started, and it will ask you to verify your account or log into your account through the web, which will redirect you to this page right here. Now once the login is successful, it will take you back to the application. And from here you can configure your settings. You can go to the settings and then select your microphone and select your speakers or headsets, and make sure the volume is 100% for both. And then you will need to open up your Discord application or your Discord, and then simply just sign into your account. And then you want to go to settings. So you want to click on the user settings right here, and then you want to scroll down to voice and video. Click on it, and under input device you want to select microphone voice mode virtual audio device, which is this one. And you can leave the output device as the default, so you can hear without actually modifying the voice. And then you can test it by pressing let's check right here. But before doing so, you can also try to apply some effects. So for example, the banana effect. And you want to make sure it's selected and active here, turned on, not red button. And the volume is configured as well. Now once you go back to Discord and click on let's check, you should hear yourself with the banana voice. And you can also join channels and talk in channels with that voice effect. You can also use sounds as they provide here, or you can add your own. Lizard. For example, this one. Lizard. You can also go to the soundboard and pick from those. There is free voices, and they give daily free voices, I think. For the other ones, you will need to pay to use them, or go pro, which is basically paying $2.5 a month, or depending on which offer you choose. You can also add your own voices from your own computer by importing them directly in here and assigning keybinds. So you can basically press the keybind when you are talking in Discord, and it will automatically play or activate the voice effect that you have selected or assigned to this button. You can also adjust the pitch to control the voice pitch or the sound effect pitch. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.